This is Apple's AirTag, and today we'll be unboxing it, setting it up, and doing a demo. Let's get into it. Today we'll be unboxing the 4-pack. Let's peel off the tab and look inside. Inside we get some instructions and the 4-pack of AirTags. It's pretty minimal, not even an Apple sticker is included. Okay, let's set up an AirTag. This part is like magic. First, let's choose an AirTag. Then let's remove the plastic. The last bit of the plastic is a little tiny tab. Once the tab is removed, it makes a sound to symbolize that it is on. Then the next part is easy. You don't even have to install an app. Take out your iPhone and AirTag and place them next to each other. Then you should get a pop-up on your iPhone asking you if you want to connect the AirTag. Select Connect. Then select what you want to call your device. I'm using it for my backpack, so I customized the name to say Kyle's Backpack. Then select an emoji to associate your AirTag with. I chose a camera because I'm using this for a camera backpack. And done, now your AirTag should be available in the Find My app. Before I demonstrate how this device works, let's recap what it actually is. Put it simply, an AirTag is a super easy and reliable way to keep track of your stuff. This could be a backpack, a wallet, keys, a bike, etc. Think of it like Apple's version of the Tile. It works by sending out a secure Bluetooth signal to other devices in the Find My network. These devices send in a location of your AirTag to iCloud. Then you can go to the Find My app and see where it is on the map. Plus, these AirTags are so easy to use. If you've lost your AirTag, you can literally walk right up to it. If your AirTag is far away from you, you can navigate to your AirTag's location, or last known pinged location. If your AirTag is close to you, usually within the same room or 80 feet, and if you have an iPhone 11 or newer, you'll be thrilled to know that you can literally walk up to the Apple AirTag itself. By using a hot and colder game, your phone will tell you what direction to go into to find your AirTag. It is just amazing. Okay, enough with that. Let's go ahead and try it out in the field. This is my sister Kendra. We're in a random neighborhood. Kendra, here's the AirTag and a GoPro. I want you to go hide this somewhere in the neighborhood and come back when you're done. Go! Somewhere. I don't care.
We're on our way. On our way back.
Alright, Kendra's back. You hid the AirTag, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, cool. So we'll give it just a second to update on someone's iPhone, and then we will go ahead and find the AirTag.
A few moments later.
Alright, everyone. So the AirTag just updated right now, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and let's get directions there. So set directions and go. Cool. Let's go ahead and walk. Move it. Alright, so we are here now. That's what it says. So we're going to go ahead and end that route, go back into the Find My network, and then find nearby. So it should be somewhere nearby. I'm looking up here for it, holding it out. Oh, I'm getting 18 feet. All right, here, go right, over here. Oh, I see it. It's right here on the rock. Hey, it's pretty close stuff on that. There we go. So we have the AirTag right here. Should put it somewhere where it's obvious. As you can see, we know that it's here because it's telling us that. That's so cool that it will just pretty much give me that hot and warmer and colder game to find the AirTag. That's just such a cool feature. Well, that's it for today's video. I love these new Apple AirTags. They are just such amazing pieces of technology. Apple did such a great job with them. I love them. I can't wait to be able to use them and really be more effective for me. I lose my backpack all the time. I'm like, where do I put it? Is it downstairs, upstairs? I'm so glad that I'll be able to check that with my phone from now on and have more peace of mind if someone were to take my bag or when I leave it in the locker room at school. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I love AirTags. Goodbye.